big event. A big thank you. A big thank you to the Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce of the San Francisco Bay Area for this generous donation of surgical masks to be provided to the community. I want to give a special thanks to Hsieh, who was a part of our CAPS Ambassador program for many years, and for thinking of our group and our community to share with these much needed PPE. So thank you very much.
Good morning. COVID-19 against the people's safety. Safety is the most important. That's why we are here today. As a member of the CAP group, probably most of gentlemen, ladies, don't know what the CAP is. The CAP is, they are certified agents of professional service. So, to the CAP group, I'm so glad I signed a contract to provide service to the community. Thank you. So, without further ado, I would like to have the President of the Chamber of Commerce, Joe Chou, to say a few words. Joe, start on the word.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for coming this early morning to support this event. Taiwan is one of the best countries that handle this pandemic well. With 1 million worldwide deaths, Taiwan only has 17 deaths. And since March, Taiwan has put together a campaign called Taiwan Can Help, Taiwan is Helping, to work with the U.S. and the worldwide to fight this virus. And since March, the Taiwan and U.S. have put together a very good policy and work together to help fight this virus. Just in August, the U.S. Health and Human Service Secretary Alex Azar visited Taiwan. He took a delegation to visit Taiwan for 4 days to visit the President, Health Department, and PPE manufacturing industry, and signed a lot of agreement to enhance the collaboration to fight this pandemic. And since then, Taiwan also put together a very good surgical mask production team to generate 20 million masks a day. Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce in the U.S., we have 33 chapters. We put together $1.2 million to purchase 10 million masks from Taiwan and work with the Taipei Economic Office U.S.-wide to distribute the masks to the needed community. And today we are very happy to work with Mayor Lily May. As you know, Fremont is one of the best cities and most diversified city in the Bay Area. And Lily was the first ever female mayor in this city for 65 years. So in our event, she come to support all the time. We organize the Thanksgiving dinner in the nearby church every year. She showed up to support us. And also Teresa this year is our advisor, Chamber's advisor. So today we are very happy to work with them together to show the support to the Fremont community. And my personal wish is they both could serve 4 more years so that we could continue to work with them to enhance the city's well-being. And thank you very much for the mayor and Teresa who support this event, and also Director General from Taipei Economic Culture Office.
So next, I would like to have the mayor, lady mayor, to say the remark for us. You're the host. You're the host. Oh, okay. Mayor, we would like to take it back.
President Joe, Mayor Lily May, Councilmember Teresa Keng. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
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 Starlight, Director General of the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in San Francisco, which represents the government of Taiwan. It is an honor to be here today. Actually, this is the first time I was invited to the city of Fremont. So in order to make sure that I will be invited again, I'm not going to talk too much. Just like to first, on behalf of the people and the government of Taiwan, to express my sympathy to the people in Fremont who have lost their family members during the pandemic. This time, COVID-19 hit us hard, but we will never surrender. Second, luckily, Taiwan has been able to survive, and people in Taiwan can enjoy a normal life. It is our sincere hope that people around the world will get back to their normal life soon, and Taiwan will be able to continue to help. Just for your reference, Taiwan government and people together, we have donated more than 54 million surgical masks to more than 82 countries in the world. And for US alone, we have donated more than 11 million surgical masks. I think that is a good example of elaborating the meaning of Taiwan can help, and Taiwan is helping. And finally, I'd like to point out that violence has no boundaries, but together we are stronger. I do hope that through our joint efforts, we will be able to win the war against COVID-19. And we together can provide an even better future for our next generations. Once again, it's an honor to be here today, and I hope I have talked short enough to be invited next time, and I wish everyone good health. Thank you.
Thank you. Ambassador said together we're getting stronger, so we like to have the mayor please make a remark.
Sure. Thank you. So good morning. Thank you for the opportunity to welcome our new Consul General from Taiwan Cultural Economic Office here. And we're certainly very proud in Fremont to be home to a very large Asian population. In particular, many of our residents are Chinese and Taiwanese in heritage. And so we're very blessed. But what makes Fremont special, much like any other community, is the people. And it's the outreach from yourselves and the generosity that has been able for us to be able to address COVID-19, and in particular work with so many of our nonprofits to help better serve our community. So unfortunately, we are not as able to say that we've only had 17 deaths, and certainly at minimum right now, we are very sorry for all the loss that we've seen in people who've lost family members and loved ones, as well as those who are battling with the illness. But that's why this initiative is so critical and important for us today, is the very fact that we are going to be better able to address this when we work together. And so we really are very appreciative of the Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce and your efforts and your members through our community, because what we wanted people to know is that in this time period, while there has been some anti-hate speech on different groups, that we are much better because of the fact that we work together. And that's something that we as a city stand proud to recognize and to have the support. And I'm very honored also here to be joined here with my council member, because we are unanimous in that decision, in that we want to work with one another to help better protect our communities. And so we really appreciate in the past, for many years, you've given us sustenance and support in our community for the Thanksgiving holidays. And this year, being that Thanksgiving is a little bit different than what we've imagined, this is an excellent and wonderful example of a way to continue the support for so many members of our community. And I thank all those nonprofits who have been able to join us today, and who we hope to be able to benefit and bless their members with health, safety, and wellness. So on behalf of the entire City Council of the City of Fremont, we welcome you and we thank you for your opportunity. I'm going to leave one quick message in Chinese. 大家好，大家好。我是高旭佳，我是佛利芒的市长，很高兴有这个机会，今天欢迎你们来 Fremont。我很感激有台湾的这爱心对我们的居民，能让大家有这个保险的安全去控制那个肺炎。So 谢谢大家，豆沙。Yay! So my Chinese is not the best. I apologize.
Very good. Mayor actually helped us to serve the community in the Thanksgiving dinner for the community, and she also donates the funds to help us. Next, we'd like to invite the
everyone. Good morning. I'm Teresa, Keng, Fremont City Council. I'll be short as well. I just want to express our gratitude again to the Taiwanese Chamber of the San Francisco Bay Area for their generosity and kindness to the community. As we know, we are fighting. We're all in this together. Our actions affect the people around us. And I know that businesses of all kinds are affected by the pandemic, and it means that much more that the Taiwanese Chamber members are so kind to fundraise to donate masks to the members of our community that are in need of the PPEs. So I thank you, and also welcome to Director Scott Lai to Fremont for the first time, and we welcome you to our community, and I'm sure there will be many more times that you will return. And so thank you everyone, and I wish you all good health. Thank you so much.
Yes, I was going to say.
Suzanne.
She's our director.
Okay. Next, I would like to have the Suzanne, the Director of the Human Service Department, and welcome.
Great. Thank you. Thank you very much. It is wonderful to have such support during a difficult time like this, during the pandemic. And as you can see, there are many of our nonprofit agencies that are providing services in our community that are here today that are going to receive your tremendous gift, and it's going to be really utilized in our community. And so we're very, very appreciative. I want to say thank you very much.
Thank you, Suzanne. I'm so glad to see you again.
Good to see you.
Sure, yeah. Next, we'd like to have the Director from the South Street Cultural Center, Roy.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Roy Yan. I'm the Director of Culture Center of TACO in San Francisco, one division under the Director General Niles leadership. We have been working hard with the Taiwanese American community to get the high quality medical mask from Taiwan. The TCCSFBA is one of them. When they order the mask, they didn't think of themselves. They also think the communities and the frontline workers come back in the COVID-19. So I want to thank TCCSFBA, your kind action, which not only assists the people in need fighting the virus, it also increased the friendship between the people of Taiwan and the United States. Again, thank you for your kindship. Hope everybody stay healthy and the pandemic will end soon and we will return to normal life. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, I would like to have Marisha to roll call all the community ambassador representatives and come to say a few words, and after your remarks, and then make sure you hand over your signed receipt, and then you pick up your, at the very end, I hope we can see the stage, have a good picture together. Thank you.
So the first group that I'd like to call up is through CAPS, the Muslim Support Network. Come over here, Shehnaz, please. Thank you. And Moina and Shehnaz represent the Muslim Support Network, and if you'd like to say anything.
I have worked with John since the beginning of CAPS program, which was about 15 years ago. And I really appreciate all that he and his community has done for so many years, and today especially when is a big need of people to wear masks, and so we really appreciate this gesture. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. You can turn in your paperwork and she'll give you your mask.
The next group is CAPS Union City Center. We have Jesus and Mila representing.
Hi, just want to say thank you to everybody here for all the donations and everything. On behalf of the City of Union City and Mila with CAPS, Senior CAPS program there, City Commissioner. So thank you again for everything, and these masks will definitely be used in a great positive way.
Thank you. And then you just take it over there and give them your forms, and I'll give you your mask. Next up, we have from the CAPS Union City Group, we have Shamsa Rafe, who is representing St. Anne's, Islamic Society of the East Bay, and the Islamic Center of Fremont. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you. And then we have next Huda Masjid.
Thank you so much for this initiative. Huge thanks to the Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce. Something that's really going to help save lives. It's really appreciated by all of them.
Thank you. Then we have the Niles Community Park, Jitu Chowdhury.
Good morning, everybody, and to our dignitaries from Taiwan. Welcome to Fremont CA. Thank you very much for reaching out to us. As you know, as a nation, we're suffering big time compared to everybody else around the world. On a personal note, I'm very aware of the situation in Taiwan and how the political situation is in other countries. Thank you for the mask for the community here in Fremont. We're not here just to receive masks, we're here to support your organizations and your political stand that you have been standing for years to defend your nation. So we're here, we feel like you're with us today when we are struggling. Any way that we can help from here in the US as US citizens, we're here to help you. Thank you very much and welcome to Fremont.
Next, we have the Taiwanese Community Help Association, and we have Cordelia. Thank you.
So Taiwanese Community Help Association will be happy to help anyone who can speak Mandarin, Chinese, or Taiwanese. And we are here. Do not hesitate to let us know how we can support you and help you. 感謝大家，嘛感謝叫阮處處長跟咱商會來支持。所以，若有大家需要翻譯嘅，無論是講台語嘅，還是講中文嘅，都會使跟阮聯絡。感謝。
Next, I'd like to welcome from the CAPS group, the Shenfil Presbyterian Church. We have Val representing this group. Another group is the CAPS Gurdwara. We have Mr. Gurdashan.
I am Dr. Grewal. First, I am very much thankful to John and even Cordelia Hsieh, with whom I am associated for the last 15 years as community ambassador, and now I thank the Taiwanese community for arranging these camps, for arranging these masks. Thank you. Actually, Gurdwara, I represent Gurdwara, and we have about 15,000 members here in Fremont, and out of them about 8,000 are very active. They regularly come to Gurdwara. So this will go to them. Thank you.
Thank you. We have a representative from Eden INR. Can I have the representative from Abode, please?
Abode as an organization would just like to thank the Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce, and these masks are going to be very helpful for our clients and our staff who are working. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Next, can I have the representative from Kadango, please?
Hey, good morning, everyone. I'm John with Kadango, and Kadango is a child care provider that provides services all around the Bay Area. We got our start in Fremont in 1973. We serve about 1,000 children. We've had quite a few cases of COVID internally, but we haven't transmitted it to any of our staff or children. So with proper PPE use, it really goes a long way, and we really appreciate the donation. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Can I have Hsieh Black from Family Path, please? Hello.
Hi. Thank you so much for your generous contribution. I'm Hsieh Black from Family Paths, and on behalf of our organization is a helpline service for the families of Alameda County and Fremont. And so we have therapists and staff who work with the residents of Fremont, and we're based in Hayward. So it's a very generous donation, and thank you very much. And we have a hotline. Please call anytime.
Thank you very much. And then I can have Desiree from the Bay Area Community Health.
Thank you so much for this generous donation. Bay Area Community Health is a public health clinic that provides testing for our community. We have been doing that. We have walk-up and drive-through. We're also doing several pop-ups. So we just make sure that we do our part to eliminate this spread of the virus. Thank you very much for supporting me.
Thank you so much. Next, could I have Patty Iyer from the Daily Bowl?
Good morning. Thank you very much for this event. My name is Patty Iyer. I'm the Executive Director of Daily Bowl. We rescue excess unwanted food, which is perfectly edible, and we distribute it to all the agencies in the Bay Area. These partners definitely will help out our partner agencies. Thank you.
Thank you, Patty. May I have the representative from Shalom Pantry, please?
Good morning. Thank you so much, Mayor, and from the Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce for organizing this event. We're from Shalom Pantry, my wife. We do a lot of community service in Fremont, helping the low-income families. And this will definitely help the mass reaching out to those individuals. They really need it. So thank you so much for organizing it. Hsieh.
And I'd like to welcome Carol Wolf from the Alzheimer's Services of the East Bay.
Good morning, and thank you so much for your generosity. I'm Carol Wolf. I'm the Program Director of Alzheimer's Services of the East Bay, representing Michelle Health and all of us who are from our nonprofit organization. What we do is we provide adult day health care for our participants who have Alzheimer's, and also provide respite to their families. And we really appreciate this help, not only for our participants, but their families as well because they need this protection. So thank you so much from the bottom of our heart. It's a wonderful, wonderful gesture of humanity amidst the pandemic. So thank you so much.
And I'm actually representing the City of Fremont Human Services Department, and I'd like to accept and thank you for the masks that are being provided to our case managers, our homeless services team, our senior center, our family resource center, and our youth and family services. We are still working, going out in the field, and this is a huge benefit not only to our staff, but to the clients that we serve. So I want to thank you very, very much for this generous offer of masks that are much needed. So thank you again for this wonderful event.
Thank you so much for the coordination from Adjourn. Now we have some certificates we'd like to present to Mayor and also Council General and also the Council Member.
No, I was going to say we just thank our staff because they're excellent.
Suzanne, you find it.
Sure.
Yes.
You go there, I'll take the picture and then send it to you.
You would like to take a
picture?
Of course, I think that's how it's done.
先照个相。
He wants to take a picture.
So I can also
Mayor May and Council Member, can you get in the picture, please? Thank you so much. Oh, wait, one second.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Be careful.
Thank you. I needed help.
你先去把我要拍。我要看，哎呦，对哦，我们的那个特长哦，是吧 ？Sorry. Go ahead. No.
You do first. Hold on, let me double check, please.
You should
Okay,
join
one
us.
more.
Please join us.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I have. This is a wide angle. I have. I can accommodate two more.
With your eyes. Oh, you are going to see this one.
Let me hold just a second. Okay, hold just a second. Let me present them, and then you can hold it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Look this way. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
The certificate is very unique because they all on their name.
Okay. Everybody ready? Okay, this way. Okay, I'm done.
You got it?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Wait.